Now we are discussing about Shopify apps. It is an e-commerce app. What can Shopify apps do? Start and grow your business wherever you are. The Shopify app lets you create an online store that is nothing but e-commerce and manage orders and find customers from your desk, your coach, or anywhere in between. Next point is, what is the best app to use a Shopify? The best 15 Shopify apps to help grow e-commerce store. Hide, chart and FAQ automation. Keeper, recover abundant carts. These are examples. And Rooty, protection and tracking. Loops, product reviews and photos. Joy, rewards loyalty program. InstaFeed, Instagram feed. And Painful, print on demand. Pinterest, product curation. And next point is, how many Shopify apps are there? The Shopify apps store in a marketplace with Shopify users can find apps to add to their stores. There are currently over 2000 apps available on the Shopify app store. The Shopify app store offers a wide range of features for businesses of all sizes. And next point is, who is Shopify's biggest competitor? So many competitors are there for Shopify also. That is BigCommerce, Salesforce, Oracle, SAP, Comchain, Kivo, InternShop, and Commerce Tools. These are the competitors for Shopify app. And the next point is, how much does it cost to build a Shopify app? A Shopify app usually costs $20,000 to build. However, the total cost can be as low as $15,000 or as high of $25,000. A Shopify app with low number of features, also known as minimum viable product or MVP, will be more affordable than an app that includes all intended functionality. Next point is, how do Shopify make money? Shopify makes money through a subscription solutions via the sale of subscriptions to its platform, including variable platform fees, through the sale of subscriptions to its Pro offering, the sale of themes, the sale of apps, and the registration of domain names. Can you sell apps on Shopify? If your app meets Shopify's requirements, you can start selling it in the Shopify app store. Next point is it cheaper to build an app or website? It is evident that building a website is comparatively cheaper than a mobile application. However, it all boils down to your business needs and the features you desire. Always remember, decoding how much an app or a website costs is not just about calculating the money, but also other resources. This is the information regarding Shopify app. Wishing you all the best.